Hey friends, recently I picked up a wireless Bluetooth headset and I can't help myself by taking apart electronics. This one's pretty cool because it almost follows exactly the same setup as my Arduino HC05 Bluetooth transceiver module here. Some real apparent similarities. Um, First, we've got a 26 megahertz crystal right there, and this is the Arduino, and there's the Bluetooth chip on this one. You can also see the cool antenna there. Moving on to the Bluetooth headset, you can see we've got a 70 milliamp 3.7 volt lithium ion rechargeable battery. There you can see the 26 megahertz crystal on the Bluetooth headset. And in back here behind the battery is our Bluetooth chip. And there you can see a microphone. I'm thinking perhaps the antenna is on the back side of this printed circuit board. It's fun to take apart electronics if you're just getting into this stuff because you can Google any numbers on the IC chip, etc., and generally find their Asian manufacturer counterpart. You learn a lot that way about discrete components on your electronic devices. Please post your comments below about any cool Bluetooth or other RF technology, do-it-yourself projects. You guys, thanks for watching.